In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade volatility by using either way. So this easy way is the one which will help you to grow that small account. It will help you so that you can make money while you're trading volatility 75 index. So without wasting time, let us start the video of today. So when you are trading volatility 75 index, you have to do your market analysis. As well as you're making your market analysis, you have to come on weekly time frame or on daily time frame to find the overall direction. So we can see that right now the market is doing what it have been making: the lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Now it's coming from a lower high, it continues down. So which means the overall daily direction, overall weekly direction, it is a down trend, guys. So as well as we have seen that the overall of the market is downtrend, is a downtrend, guys. So what we have to do now, after seeing that the overall it is a downtrend, the next step we have to go on daily. This is a weekly. We go on a daily time frame. When you reach on a daily time frame, we make what we do adjustment so that we don't cut any week. You can see our trend line, it's on the week. Are you getting the point? It's what it is on the week. So let us go to H4. When you reach on H4, what do we have to do? When you reach on H4, the next thing what we have to do to find where the liquidity on H4 is rest. I call it in WTB strategy. In WTB strategy, I call it what a U-turn. You have to find a U-turns. These are the U-turns, guys. You have to find a U-turns where the liquidity is still resting. So if we find that the liquidity it is resting, we wait the market to take that liquidity, guys. So we can see that right now we are looking the sales, as long as the market we are still on a downtrend. So if you see very well that this liquidity here is already taken and this is taken, so where is the next U-turn? The next U-turn is this, where the market is. We wait the market to take this U-turn, to take this, to sweep up this liquidity. After sweeping up liquidity, it will continue selling, guys. Why? Because there are some sellers which are still resting at this around, guys. So what you have to do after seeing that, after getting that point, you can do that. You can find the liquidity where it's still resting on H4 and H1. Those are the best time frame to find the liquidity rest, and you wait the market to sweep that liquidity or to bounce from that U-turns. So we are seeing now that the market is around this zone. We are seeing right now the market is around this zone. So what was the last buying candle before the market shifted down? We can see that this is here. This here is our last buying candle. The market makes high, 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 low, high, high, came and formed the high, low, forming equal highs. So it started selling, which means this one is our last buying candle. What we have to do to highlight all of this candle, we have to highlight, we make a zone all of this candle, guys. So let us do it. What we have to do, we make the all of that zone candle. I getting point, guys. So we can make adjustment here like this. Yes, we got our zone, the last buying candle. We take all of this zone, guys. You can see this is our last buying candle. So the best way, we take all of it and it's weak, all zone, guys. Let us take it. So the next step, we have to highlight it. Let me change the color of this of these horizontal lines. We turn it to black. We turn them to black very well, like that. So we have to highlight it. So let us highlight it like that way. So we have highlighted our zone. We have highlighted our zone very well. So what is the next step? The next step, we have to draw down. We have to go down in H1. When you reach on H1, we have to find the high highs and high lows. We have to find the high highs and high lows. I'm saying this is the high high, high low, high high, high low, high high. Now the market is on our killer zone. What we have to do to connect these two high lows, guys, connect this, and then we draw our counter zone. And then we draw our counter and our counter zone. We draw our counter zone. So let us draw that, our H1 counter zone. So we have our H1 counter zone, guys. You can see it. So the next thing, you go to minute 15. I'm getting point. You go to minute 15 or minute 5. You make an adjustment to see that you have not cut any wick of that counter zone. You can see that all points are touched very well. We do adjustment like this to see that all points, they have not cutted out. Are you getting the point, guys? Like that. So as well, we have finished that. We keep waiting on minute 5. We do what? We wait. We wait the market. We wait the market. We wait the market now to do whatever it does, and then come and breaks. After breaking, we will take our entry. So we have to wait the market come. It's here right now. It has to come, and then it breaks this overall counter trend. After breaking, we have to make sure that the candle of minute 5 or minute 15, 80% has broke and close below of this overall trend, guys. So the moment the candle close, obviously you take your sell entry. If the market is not going to sell, it will not break this trend line. It will not break. It will continue going up, guys. It will continue going up. So let us keep waiting until the market breaks that, so that you can take the sell. Make sure to click that subscribe button if you have got value from this video. This is the only strategy what I use to trade. We call it our best strategy, WTB. This is the WTB strategy, guys. It's giving you a good risk to reward ratio, guys. So make sure to backtest this strategy all over the time, and then you go to live. See you to the next episode. Peace.